Yo guys, what is going on? And thank you for checking out the video. It is a beautiful Friday in this beautiful city and we're out for a ride. It's like 7:30. Is that a bike? That's a bike. But yeah, figured I might as well get out for a little hour or so, take advantage of the nice weather, and that is what we're doing. So guys, if you couldn't tell, I got some new gloves. These are by Saints of Speed, and they've got this like cool Krispy Kreme design. They're a little chuggy, maybe. They're also kind of sick. Actually, shout out Nolan Rides, because he's the one who put me onto these. They're pretty cool. They're like 30 bucks, 35 bucks. I'll link them in the description if you're interested. No sponsor. I wish they sponsored me, but they're pretty cool. Give him the wave mid-wheelie. Yeah guys, my friggin' underwear just going wedgie central now again. Last episode or last video, I just keep getting wedgied by this gripper seat. It seems like it's gonna be the same case today. Slow it down. Let's do a nice slow one up this hill. It's decently slow. Where are the bikes? That is my question. See, we gotta stop chasing those. That's a clear chase on the street. Not today, not today. But yeah guys, I like these gloves. They're pretty nice, cool design, and they're comfortable. I mean, they're gonna fit like pretty much any other MX glove. They also do have the little touch pads for a touchscreen phone, so on the thumb and the index finger. So that's always nice too. I hate, honestly, at this point, riding with gloves that don't have that. They don't really have any padding, but you know, it is what it is. My Amazon gloves before this, realistically, probably weren't that much more protective, if we're being real. Let's give these lawn chair dudes a wheelie. Who's in my lot here? Who is in my freaking lot? Damn, this slot is usually empty. Now it's not. That stinks. They must have an event going on here tonight or something. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to the other lot, because that'll be nicer. Ready, watch this. I bet this guy passes me. Can't believe he didn't. Wow. Total surprise there. I'm pretty much used to that at this point. Alright guys, quick check on the license plate. If you saw last video, I mounted like a flipper license plate. I guess this is what's happening on the wheelies, is when I come up, it flings it up. So I'm just gonna do that. That'll probably hold a little better, right? Yeah. Getting up to balance point way quicker, honestly. Guys, I'm also, let's gotta get the thumbnail, you know? Guys, I really am loving the way that this bike is looking though. The all black, the hand guards, the seats. She looks minty. What's cool about this plate holder though is I can literally just reach back and flip it up if I want. See, it's up. I don't know if you can even see it. Now it's back again. Oh yeah, we actually went to this lot last time. Wonder if anyone's here to kick me out. I don't know. But this was a nice little lot to practice in. I'll probably go to the other one still though. This one doesn't offer a ton of room, to be honest. Still, great view here. Great view. Sunset too. Looks nice. Scary. A little scary. It's like a stand-up wheelie. Woo! That was almost a mousetrap. The touch material on these gloves is great too, especially when you have a piece of shit GoPro Hero 7 that, you know, freezes all the time, so you've got to remove the battery, you got to use the touch screen, so super helpful. Guys, it's fun standing up on the bike. Woo! That kind of scared me. Can we even make this turn? I don't think we can. Back down we go. I wonder how blown out my front fork seals are. Probably pretty blown out. And that guy looked really happy to see me. Can we keep up with the Aprilias? I'm here, don't forget me! I actually just saw a KLX 250, I think, drive by, so see if we can catch up with him. Yeah, there's the 250. I think it's a 250. Oh no, it's a DRZ. Hey, he's got the same tank bag as me. It's good. Nice tank bag. Ready? Oh shit, well I guess there's a fair going on or something. Ooh, we're going. Don't hit Mr. Salt. Was that a ballerina? That thing is pretty fucking sick. Yeah, this is definitely some sort of riding group, which I am not a part of. No, they won't.
Foot clutch?
What's that?
Is this a foot clutch?
No, that's a clutch.
Yeah. This right here?
Yeah, that's a clutch. Yep.
And what's
Gear shifter down here.
okay?
Yep, yep.
Let's go. Wait. Hold on, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the top of the game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, and vitamin, welcome to the lion's den. And I'm a boxer, big boss in charge of coming in like
And the cops have arrived. Time to go. Alright, well that was pretty sick. That was actually a ride out there. I got shit to do, so I can't go, but got some people's numbers. Definitely gonna ride with the dude with the DRZ. He lives super close to me. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace.
Some patience, I already won. Now I'm just making a statement. Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the